welcome back to another video. I'm Katie. If you're new here, you should subscribe because I do some pretty cool stuff. It's the morning. I just made myself some breakfast. We're gonna enjoy it together as I talk to you. I'm back in the US, y'all. Like, oh my goodness, my last two videos were me traveling Switzerland. If you did not watch them, you totally should because I had the most amazing time in the prettiest place ever. Switzerland was literally a dream. So blessed to be able to have gone there. Go watch those videos. We're back and I'm getting back into my routine. I've been back for about 5 days and I'm about to leave again, but that's besides the point. Oh, how I missed a bagel. Oh my gosh, they're so good. I missed a good home vlog, so that's what we're doing today. And enjoying my wonderful alone time spent in my cozy apartment. So buckle up and let's spend the day together. Y'all, I've been chefing it up with an everything bagel toasted with egg whites and turkey sausage and then add some little hot sauce. Oh my gosh. Protein packed, delicious, keeps me full for a long time, and I have some strawberries for balance. I don't have much of a skincare routine. I'm not a very like makeup, hair, skincare, outfit kind of girl. Like I wing it. I'm not even gonna lie. But in the morning when I remember, I wash my face and put sunscreen on. So let's do that. I just bought these toothbrushes and they're so hard. It's like they kind of hurt my teeth, but I think the more I use it, the less hard it will get. Put these on your toothbrushes. It helps from getting all like the nasty bathroom germs. And this is the best toothpaste. I literally swear by it. I have all this stuff on my Amazon if you want to go check it out. So to wash my face, I either use my prescribed face wash or La Roche-Posay that's in my shower. Just depends how I'm feeling. My hair is so dirty right now. I haven't washed it in probably 5 days. Like I'm not even over exaggerating. And I'm not gonna wash it until tonight. So that's why it's up. You could fry chicken on my hair. It's that greasy. Also, I ate too many salt and vinegar chips last night. And so my face is so swollen and puffy. This is just my reality. Like sometimes life is like this. I talked about my vitamins in one of my last videos. I take a lot of them. I truly do notice a difference between when I take them and when I don't. Here's the lineup. Cheers. I'm pretty sure I pulled a muscle in my chest and I'm not feeling too hot. So, Advil for pain relief and to reduce the swelling. Next step of our morning routine, put moisturizer on. I like to use La Roche-Posay. Again, they just have my favorite skincare product. And then I used to use the Drunk Elephant drops that make you tan, but I ran out. So now I use these little L'Oreal ones that I just kind of concocted on my fingers and put it on my face. I feel like moisturizer is the one thing that I am normally pretty good at remembering. Everything else, no. Who would have guessed? More La Roche-Posay. You should be wearing sunscreen every day. If I don't put it on every day, I put it on every time I go into the sun because we all hate to admit that we're all gonna have skin cancer, but put your sunscreen on and maybe you won't. If you're wondering if I brushed my teeth or not, I sure did before I started filming. Okay, I'm not even gonna lie, I'm feeling very unproductive. Oh my goodness, forgot to put my Apple Watch on. That's how you know I've had a little bit of a rough start. This is normally the first thing I do when I wake up. I'm feeling tired, a little lazy. I also didn't sleep great last night. That's okay because besides all those points, we're still gonna make an effort to have a great day. Because if every single day we were tired and lazy and we didn't want to do anything, we just rotted in our bed, we would never get to experience this beautiful world that we live on. So get off your lazy butt and get up. That was a little harsh. If you need a day to rot in bed, please do. I'm gonna make this bed and then we're gonna pick out my outfit because I'm going to the beach with my friend Destiny. I haven't seen Destiny in so long because she travels just as much as I do. Gonna catch up, get a tan, swim, snorkel, do all the things. I think it looks pretty good for taking me 2 minutes. Now the hard part is picking out which bathing suit I want to wear today. I really need to do another closet clean out video because I feel like I get rid of so many clothes and I still have too many, but my bikini bucket, it's too much right now. Half of them I don't wear. I don't like the cut. I don't wear them because I don't think they're flattering on me. They're too big, they're too small, and yet I keep them. So look out for that soon, but I think I'm gonna go with this red. I'm feeling like wearing red because I haven't worn it in a while. This is just like a good tanning bikini to me because it's little, it's comfy, I can swim around in the ocean in it, so I think this is gonna be the move. I'm trying to decide if I want to put my sleep shirt back on or not. This is the first time I've worn this shirt and I am obsessed. This brand Kalala, I'm not sure, but they sent me some cute freaking clothes and they're made in Hawaii, on Kauai, the island of Kauai, which I freaking love so much. I visited Kauai when I lived there and I just love it. They're so soft, the comfiest graphic tees. I just kind of want to throw another t-shirt on. I found the one. I love this shirt. I also bought it in Hawaii. It's a Billabong shirt and it has like the prettiest rainbow and clouds on it and the waterfalls. It just reminds me so much of my favorite place ever. So we're doing this one because I need that little boost of joy today. Guys, I bought this deodorant in Switzerland because I ran out of mine. I'm pretty sure it's German, the language, but it's spray deodorant because that's what I like to use now. And then, of course, my favorite YSL Black Opium perfume. That's my smelling good combo. This stuff actually smells amazing. Like, if you're in Switzerland, buy it. And then this always smells so good. This is the lineup: sunglasses, book, I'm bringing snacks for Destiny and I, my Yeti. So many of y'all have told me that you bought this Yeti because of me. It really is the best, I swear. It keeps your water or whatever cold forever. Let me grab my tote bag. This is also linked on my Amazon storefront. It is quite literally the best tote bag ever. Before we're able to go to the beach, I have to do this Amazon return because I ordered this skirt that I thought was gonna be super cute. Little like mini going out skirt, but it was huge. So I'm gonna have to go return that at the post office really quick. The beach that I am going to is actually about like 35 minutes away. I'm going to Indian Rocks, if you know where that is. It's gonna be beautiful and I'm really excited about it. I live close to so many amazing beaches that I never drive like that far to go, but I'm very excited. I also just cracked open my Alani Nu Witch's Brew. Y'all, this is the best flavor. They only have it during the fall and I am obsessed with it. I drink one of these every single day when I can get my hands on them because they're that good. All right, y'all, we made it to Indian Rocks. It's pretty poppin' for a Monday afternoon, but I just like this beach because there's like nothing around it. It feels very secluded. So we're gonna find a spot. All right, y'all, we just got out of the ocean. It's actually cold in the ocean for the first time in a long time.
It's not 90 degrees.
It's not hot, so it feels really good. But here's Destiny. Everybody,
hi guys.
Meet her, finally. You're never in any of my videos because you're never here.
No.
I don't know, we paid for 2 hours of parking, so we gotta see if we're gonna extend, but like, it's not very sunny anymore.
No.
The clouds are coming.
The UV is not that high.
It's like a 6, which is, it's not great.
It's okay.
I'm gonna read my book. Destiny actually gave me this book to read.
It's so good.
She loved it, so I can't wait to read
So good.
The Summer of
It's
Broken
so aesthetic,
Rules.
too.
I know, it's beautiful. It's like summer in a book. Show them yours. The book she's been reading for 2 months.
In Mykonos, have not, I literally 100 pages in it.
So maybe she'll put a dent in that
Maybe.
and I'll start reading this.
We'll debate.
There she goes. Bye, Destiny. Alrighty, folks, it is everything shower time. I cannot wait to wash my hair. I feel like I say that in every video, but that's because I wash my hair once, maybe twice a week. I've been liking these cute little headbands. I got mine at the dollar store. They were so cheap and they just pull your hair back and it's good for greasy hair, let me tell you that. But let me show you the products I'm gonna be using. Here's my beautiful shower. I love these Kerastase, I think that's how you say it, products. They send them to me in PR, but they're so amazing. Like, I just switch off between all like the different shampoos and conditioners. So this set is hydrating shampoo and hydrating conditioner. And then I'm gonna try this hair mask. I don't really ever do anything to my hair, I feel like you guys know, but they sent a hair mask, so I wanna see if it makes a big difference, makes my hair any softer. Like I said, just wash my face with this, shave my legs with the Tree Hut scrub. I love this scent because it just smells like the beach and sunscreen and yumminess. And yeah, there's all my products. I also started using this new Chic razor. It's like their Hydro men's razor. Game changing. Like, literally everything is smooth, no bumps, no hair. It's awesome. None of this is sponsored, but I'm just showing you some of my favorite products. So let's get the shower started. All right, y'all, I'm out the shower and I put the same t-shirt on because I literally wore it for what, like an hour? No judgment here, but I'm not feeling good. I really pulled my chest muscle and washing my hair, lifting up my right arm made it very, very painful. I'm not gonna lie. And I text my mom and she's like, literally rest it, don't lift your arm up, take Advil, put like a heat press on it. So I'm gonna take it easy now because I don't like that. I don't even know how I did that, how I pulled a muscle in my chest. I didn't even know that was possible. My hair is air drying. I never really do anything to it, but I used that hair mask and oh my gosh, y'all, it was like neon purple, exploded all over my shower. I've never seen anything like that. The writing is also in like a different language, so I can't really tell what it's for, but if it makes my hair amazing, I'll use it again. It was like a neon purple paint splatter went everywhere. But I can't even brush my hair because I can't lift up this hand like higher than my shoulder to brush it, so it's just gonna be ratty for now. That's just how it's gonna be. It's nearing 6 o'clock and I'm getting hungry. I haven't eaten in a while. ready. So y'all just saw I baked some brownies and they're cooking in the oven right now because I'm going to stay with some friends in a few days, and I never ever show up empty-handed to anything. If I'm staying with somebody, celebrating somebody, I will always bring a gift just as a thank you. As an adult, I think it's so important to show the love that you wish to receive and show that you're grateful. It's just a kind thing to do for other people, and it will never go overlooked. I've made brownies in my conventional oven before. It's like a microwave oven, so I'm just gonna watch them really carefully. But I also just made some dinner. It's 8 p.m. so I'm a little bit late, but just having some white rice and some turkey sausage. This is good protein and it's filling. I'm ending the near of my groceries, so the meals are getting a little bland, but it tastes good to me, and I'm just happy to have food under my house. So I think I'm just gonna chill for the rest of the night, probably read my book, and then we'll check back in on these brownies and hope they go well. I have high hopes. All packed up and delicious. It's the next day, day 2 vlog, back at it. Yesterday, I ended up just watching a really sick documentary on Netflix and passing out. So I have a few little errandy kind of things to do today, nothing crazy. The weather outside is actually so awful because it's supposed to rain here in Florida for the next week, which isn't fun. Like I said, I'm leaving, so I'm okay with it. Y'all, I got a little toasty yesterday, like I'm not even gonna lie, and I put on sunscreen. So my face is feeling a little bit burnt. I just lathered it up in some moisturizer. My lips feel burnt too. So I've just been putting so much chapstick. This bag balm, y'all, this stuff is the best. Nothing compares. It's amazing. The first thing that we're gonna do together is take out my recycling. And when I was coming back from Switzerland, my bag completely broke. It broke on the way there. The wheels where my luggage are cracked. And then when I got my bag from Switzerland in New York, because we had a layover, 2 of my wheels on my suitcase were gone. They just disappeared. Thanks, Delta, for how much I fly with Delta. I was a little salty about it. Still a little angry, but I still had the bag here because I was filing a claim and they still haven't responded to me, but I'm getting rid of the bag because it's just been sitting, staring at me. And I don't want to look at that suitcase anymore. And if you want to see how bad it is, here you go. Here's one wheel completely gone and missing. But look at this one, cracked, broken. It's so annoying. And I love the suitcase because it has so many amazing stickers from all the places I've traveled. Like Jamaica's right here, Idaho, the beach, Hawaii, like Georgia. Like it has so many amazing places. And this has got to go in the trash because it doesn't roll anymore. And then I also have this big bag of recycling because yes, I do recycle, but I hate to go to the like recycling bin every time. So I just collect a trash bag full and then take it. This is what I'm gonna look like going outside. That wasn't nearly as bad as I thought it was. I've just been putting that off for so long and I don't know why. I just don't like taking out the recycling. But it was all building up like right here. It's just so much more clean and my luggage was right there for no reason. I don't know why. So something that small can make the biggest difference. Don't forget it. Your girl is feeling unmotivated, but we're gonna do things to make me feel motivated. I can't be the only one like this, but as soon as the weather is ugly outside, I do not want to leave my apartment. I just want to rot all day. I just want to rot and do nothing, and that makes me sad. It's okay to have those days, but like the weather isn't good every day, so every day can't be that dang day, you know? What we're gonna do is crack open a cold one and put together a bag of stuff to donate to Goodwill. I've had this one bag sitting in my closet of clothes that needs to be donated for so long. So I'm gonna get myself out of the house, go to Goodwill, donate the clothes, hopefully find some shoes to donate to because I'm sick and tired of looking at this ugly thing all the time. I hate the shoes there. And then maybe we'll go look inside of Goodwill. I don't know. So here is the bag. There's just a bunch of stuff in here. Some of it I was gonna sell on my Depop, but I have just no motivation to do that. Like this cute little yellow top. I have this little like bra top. I don't have motivation to list these on my Depop, so we're just gonna find some more and go donate because at least it's going to a better cause. Like these bottoms are so cute, but I've never worn them and I just don't like tie bottoms, so those are gonna get donated. These bottoms are just really huge. I've never even worn them, so those can be donated. I like to give away things that I think other people will actually enjoy and not just like crap. These bottoms are so cute and I've worn them like once, but they're just so big, but I really like them. Donate. I've actually slowly been getting rid of a lot of sweatshirts on the side, which is good because ultimately I would like to just have them all on one side, not on both. I know this looks like a hot mess, but my closet is so small that like this holds all my bags, this holds all my sheets and pillowcases. Like I just kind of have to make it work. Okay, I actually found a lot in my closet. T-shirts, I have cute little like tank tops, cropped tees, sweatshirts, bathing suits, sweatpants. So I'm gonna add this to the bag. Y'all, big things have just happened. I consolidated all of my sneakers, all of my shoes on here. I have been in the process of trying to get rid of so many for so long. And I got rid of, I'm not even kidding, 50 pairs of shoes, donating and selling them. And these are ones that I actually wear all the time. And it's okay to have shoes, you know, like I have a good amount, but I had all of this filled up and more. And this one has been broken for so long. It's so wobbly. I don't know if you guys can tell. And I just absolutely hated the way it looked over here. This is going into the trash can. And I'm hoping that I'm gonna be able to redo this little area. I don't know with what. I ideally would love to get like a little table and chair. I double wrapped this donation bag. It got very full very quick. So we're gonna go drop this off and take this trash out. Didn't end up going into Goodwill, wasn't really feeling it, dropped my stuff off. I'm at Wells Fargo now, and I don't think you can vlog in a bank. I'm just gonna pull some cash out. Y'all, look at this squirrely. He just climbed down the tree right in front of me, and I think he's gonna cross the road. Bye, little guy. All right, y'all, I look like a sweaty mess, but I'm on the phone with Maddie right now. And she was giving me the idea of how to rearrange the shoe rack and make it look kind of normal, so I did. Let me show you. Oh, that's so awkward. You can see me squatting in the mirror. The shoe racks that both used to be here, I moved one here, and then putting my mirror here makes my apartment look huge. Moved the trash can, and then I'm hoping to put either some art or a table or I don't know, something right there. So this is the vibe for right now. We'll see how I like it and build off of it. I don't know. I'm struggling with what to do with this corner because I still don't like these shoes, but that's just where they're gonna have to live for now. I think that's gonna be it for this one. I'm gonna make myself a sandwich for a late lunch considering it's 4 p.m. and then hop in the shower. I think this has been a good like getting back into my routine video. I did a lot of things that I do normally. I'm debating on going to yoga tonight. I really do want to, but my chest muscle is still pulled and it's still being sore. It doesn't hurt nearly as bad as it did yesterday, the days before, but I don't want to make it worse. We'll see about that, but thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, subscribe, follow all my socials, and I will hopefully see you in another video or somewhere else on the internet. If you have any ideas on what I should do with this space, please let me know because I'm very open to your critique, criticism, and kind words. Only kind words, but I will see you in the next video. Bye guys. Mwah.